Established in 1997 and equitized in 2005, GFS Group is a diversified commercial group with 5 primary investment areas: real estate, construction, science technology, industry, high-tech organic agriculture, training and development of human resources. Setting science and technology as a strategic investment area, the GFS Technology Institute was established in 2015 with the mission of conducting research, gaining access to, transferring, and using breakthrough technologies in each of the following fields: construction technology, organic agriculture and high-tech fisheries, recycled energy, biotechnology. This work involves the bringing together and collaborating of the leading national and international scientists from Japan, Korea, Russia, and Israel. The GFS Group now has over 40 patents and inventions in the domains of industry, construction material, and biotechnology. Creative innovation in construction technology. In 2019, GFS Group and GFS Technology Institute launched the project Building and Completing the Manufacturing Value Chain of Prefabricated Concrete Components Industry, servicing infrastructure construction, irrigation, transportation, industrial, and civil building. The project has brought together raw material suppliers, manufacturers, scientists, engineers, architects, and major companies to begin implementation. GFS prefabricated wall and floor panels. In 2021, GFS Technology Institute successfully explored and created autoclaved aerated concrete wall and floor panels made from 70% fly ash aggregate and waste ash from thermal power plants, indicating a promising direction for industrial-scale building material manufacturing. Products meet civil and industrial structure quality criteria, as well as high-quality construction standards such as lightweight, good sound insulation, heat insulation, energy savings, and greater fire protection than ordinary bricks. Competitive price. GFS prefabricated wall and floor panels are large-size solutions that aid in reducing building time and plastering expenses. GFS's prefabricated AAC panel has excellent homogeneity, low weight, high strength, and the maximum strength of any concrete panel. Specifically, if design and construction technology can be synchronized according to the prefabricated method, these floor and wall panels will be manufactured according to the design dimensions for each project, aiding construction by reducing on-site labor, increasing precision, and reducing investment costs relative to conventional methods. Global and Vietnamese trends in prefabricated concrete products made from thermal power plant slag. Prefabricated concrete, which was invented in 1924 in Sweden, has been utilized in the Middle East and Far East for more than 80 years, in the Americas and Europe for the past 40 years, and in Southeast Asia such as Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore for the past 20 years. Since 2008, the prefabricated concrete components have been introduced as imported materials. AAC materials have been known for centuries. However, in Vietnam, although being more than 10 years, AAC manufactured from ash and slag in Vietnam is still relatively new. The significant contributions made by GFS Group are producing AAC from thermal electric ash, making precast panels to construct floors and walls, reducing number of workers, reducing labor on site, and increasing consumption twice as much compared to the ordinary method building which uses brick wall only. This is the foundation for addressing the problem of environmental pollution, lowering the cost of construction projects, and advancing the trend of prefabricated construction in Vietnam in the future. Given that the world will continue to suffer from the COVID-19 pandemic, prefabricated technology has risen to prominence as the technology of choice. 5-star grade construction projects in Vietnam can be completed with these materials from building structure, interior blocks, kitchens and bathrooms that are all prefabricated up to 90% at the factory, resulting in less waste and faster project completion. This is the tendency in industrialized countries such as the United States, Europe, Hong Kong, and China, among others. Vietnam will certainly take this route, applying prefabricated technologies to build large-scale housing projects at competitive pricing. The issue of inadequate accommodation for workers has been a problem for many years and has not been resolved completely. In the context of the pandemic, the 3 on-site model which involves eating, sleeping, and working without leaving, aims to keep production going in industrial parks, is merely a temporary solution that displays numerous deficiencies. To address this issue, GFS Group has researched and introduced a model for the construction of several prefabricated buildings with AAC components made from thermoelectric ash. In addition to focusing on housing building, we also provide technical infrastructure such as an electrical grid, water supply and drainage system, and Wi-Fi, as well as social infrastructure systems such as kindergartens, medical stations, cultural houses, and sports field. GFS Group is currently investing extensively in numerous industrial parks and focused housing developments across the country. With the effective use of modern technologies in the manufacture of materials and construction, GFS Group was given a contract by the Vietnam General Confederation of Labor in August 2021 to construct residences in 3 trade union institutional zones at Hung Yen, Nam Dinh, and Can Hoa Province, providing accommodation for 2,500 to 4,000 workers each institutional zone. The project incorporates modern building technology and prefabricated materials. More specifically, the foundation combines the top-base technology of the largest generation with the radio and mounting brackets. The load-bearing wall system is comparative AAC panels that incorporate reinforced concrete columns and load-bearing walls. Depending on the specific application, the floor panel is made of prefabricated AAC or bubble deck or waffle slab. The prefabricated technology developed by GFS Group helps to reduce construction time, construction expenses, and direct labor on the work site, construction waste, and environmental pollution. Breakwaters made of geopolymer concrete. As a nation with more than 3,200 kilometers of coastline, it is crucial to protect coastal structures from tides, landslides, and extreme weather effects. Breakwaters are heavyweight structures erected in areas frequently impacted by waves or tides to prevent riverbank and coastal erosion. GFS Technology Institute has successfully researched and produced geopolymer concrete materials, also known as green concrete, to replace cement concrete, a material that emits a great deal of CO2 during production and has poor durability in a salty sea environment. These materials are made from industrial waste materials such as thermal energy, silicon soot, blast furnace slag and steel slag, rice husk ash, red mud, slag ash, demolition waste, sea sand, all bound together by a geopolymer binder. Geopolymer is regarded as an eco-friendly green material for the following reasons. First, the manufacture of geopolymer emits extremely little CO2. Second, industrial waste like blast furnace slag and fly ash are utilized effectively. Geopolymer is technically superior to traditional cement concrete in terms of its strength and longevity, particularly its resistance to erosion, corrosion in saltwater, polluted water, and chemicals. Lactopower, microbial products for healthy growth of animals. Lactopower was developed and successfully manufactured by GFS Technology Institute. Lactopower is a microbial product used as a supplement in livestock, poultry, and aquatic animal feeds. It consists of 4 strains of microorganisms capable of producing a variety of enzymes to improve digestion and antibacterial substances. Lactopower helps to inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause intestinal diseases in livestock and promotes the proliferation of beneficial bacteria for the animal digestive system. GFS Group is now planning investment and commercial manufacture of this product. Lactopower is manufactured from 4 strains of valuable microorganisms supplied to Vietnam by a Japanese partner as part of a pilot production project assigned to the GFS Technology Institute of Technology by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development in 2016. The effects of this product include, for dairy animals such as dairy cows and goats, Lactopower boosts the body's ability to fertilize, digest, and absorb food, increases milk yield by more than 10%, and extends milk production time by 3 years. For poultry, improve meat quality, making more aromatic and tasty, and egg quality, high yolk ratio, natural aroma. For seafoods, shorten growth period, increase feed conversion efficiency, and hence lowering feed intake. Reduces disease resulting in better meat quality and taste. Similar products have been produced by many countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and Japan. In Vietnam, GFS Technology Institute has mastered this production technology, expecting large-scale production in the near future. Coriolus versicolor, breast and cervical cancer fighting food. Coriolus versicolor is an extremely valuable medicinal herb with positive effects on the treatment of certain cancers. This is the result of a research project under the Project on the Development and Application of Biotechnology in the Processing Industry to 2020, chaired by the Institute of Biotechnology and Food Technology, Hanoi University of Science and Technology. The Coriolus versicolor mushroom is extremely beneficial to human health. The GFS Technology Institute has utilized liquid fermentation technology with excellent fermentation conditions management. Specifically, the product contains polysaccharides, which are vital active elements that aid in the treatment of cancer. This product contains approximately 30% polysaccharopeptide, which is effective against breast cancer cell lines, MCF7, carcinoma of the cervix. Currently, GFS Technology Institute wishes to collaborate with Hanoi University of Science and Technology to concentrate on early production and market distribution of this product. This is a valuable product that is highly valued by foreign markets, particularly Germany. Aware of the duty and role of the enterprise in investing in and implementing breakthrough scientific and technological ideas to bring changes for improved life and well-being, GFS Group aspires to be a close connecting bridge between scientists, businesses, and regulatory bodies in order to foster innovation and launch an increasing number of high-tech goods manufactured in Vietnam that are globally competitive.